Good morning. We are currently just on the outskirts of the Lake District. We travelled up last night in the dark, so there was not really much to show you, so we just rode in. And we slept in this really nice little lay-by with it's at the end of the canal by the looks of it. It's got a little river and a little swan outside, so that's what Daisy's looking at.
It's quite close to the motorway though, so there's lots of road noise, but
it was alright for, well, I had 5 hours sleep according to my Fitbit, so
oh right,
there you go. Interrupted sleep. So we're going to head out and yes, we'll film as we go so you can watch our journey around the Lake District.
And today I think we're on our way to Coniston.
Yeah.
To have a look at some waterfalls.
So fingers crossed they're good. It's rained enough, so hopefully.
How long before Daisy gets soaking wet?
Well, her paws are really wet and they're wet on my leg, so a good start.
Oh, and then another little one. We managed to park next to another Vivaro. There you go. Little view of the other Vivaro. Just out there, look. Lovely. And then there's a little swan that stays with us. Just giving itself a clean. Something that India needs to do to herself. Give herself a clean.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Here we are on the walk. Just started, so we'll see where it takes us. Tarn Hows, man-made, and we walked up the 2 waterfalls to get here, so it's quite nice. The weather's not great, but it's only spitting, so it's not too bad. So we walked up from that lake there up this hill to see the view, but obviously it's raining a bit, so but you can see some hills in the distance, and obviously that's where we were, around that Tarn Hows lake, so yeah, it's very nice. So we're just back at the van. Obviously walked up the waterfalls, which you saw, then walked around Tarn How. Yeah, that's how.
Yeah.
So, which was a nice man-made lake that took about 2 hours, but we also walked up, what did you say?
Hawkwell Hill or something?
Hawkhead, I think it
was. Hawkhead Hill.
Which was the viewpoint which we saw. So it was quite nice actually, a nice walk, and I would recommend going to the National Trust car park and actually seeing the waterfalls instead of just driving straight to Tarn How. Any suggestions?
No.
Daisy loved it, but she's now cuddled up on Ryan's seat.
Make sure you have good footwear. It's very rocky, isn't it? When it was wet.
It was wet.
So it's slippy.
Yeah, so we're all wet, but hey ho, it was a good morning. Yes. driven through Anglesey. And where are we now, Rye? Oh, Rye.
No, Rydal.
Oh, right, okay.
Rydal.
We're looking for Rydal Cave, so see how that goes on. Just parked the van and just started walking. And it's stopped raining for once.
Yes.
Oh yeah, here's a bridge. Old style one. Come out a bit brighter, well, at least where we are. The views aren't amazing, but yeah, and the cave was quite good. See, the other one further down you can't walk into, but nevertheless it was cool to see. It's not too far away from the car park, but the car park is expensive, even if you're not a National Trust member, so just need to bear that in mind. These are super cool stepping stones to step over. So it's the next morning. We stopped at Ullswater for the night. It was rainy and windy, no surprise. So we're just on a walk now this morning to circular stones. I'm not sure what they're called, Brian's found it. So yeah, we're just walking along the road next to the river. Apparently this is the stone circle that I suggested. It's definitely the wrong one because the other one I was looking at was much higher. I mean, it is in a circle, but
how are we feeling in?
tired.
Tired. Daisy wanted more.
Do you want a treat? Yeah. They've put little steps in. Honestly God, it makes such a difference. I didn't want to come up here, but the view is quite impressive. So we're back down from up on the point, Arthur's Point.
Arthur's Point, and we saw the stone circle.
Yes. We luckily just missed the rain. It's actually tipping down outside. So
Raining cats and dogs.
it's nice. We walked from Pooley Bridge to obviously the top and then back down, so it's quite a fair way, to be fair, you'd be surprised. And yeah, we're just gonna have lunch now.
Picked up some little treats. There's a little shop there. It's all dog friendly, but there's a little shop there where we picked up some dog treats for Daisy. I had an ice cream and you had some fudge.
Yeah, we'll let you know. We're going to try it after lunch, so we'll let you know how it is. Hopefully, it looks tasty. But yeah, they were really nice and friendly in there as well. Actually, it was called the Barn, and it was like they had loads of like hiking stuff, and then they had loads of dog stuff, and dogs can go in, so it was brilliant. It was really good. Daisy loved it, and they even had dog ice cream, but Daisy had treats instead, so she didn't eat any.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just going to enjoy our hot dogs, I think now. So, yes, very nice.
Done. Cut.
Right, so we're going to try the fudge. I've just ripped the bag on accident, so now we have to eat all of it.
Oh.
I'm only joking, we didn't have to. But
Smells like fudge.
oh. No, it smells really, really good.
Yeah, like fudge.
Oh, we should have brought a knife.
Just get a knife from underneath. Is it a good idea doing that down on your leg?
No, but it'll be fine. There we go.
Cheers. So what fudge is this?
So this is caramel with local toffee that was obviously local to the area, but it's homemade fudge.
Caramel with local toffee fudge. Right. Do you know what that tastes like?
What?
Fudge.
Nice. You can taste the toffee in it.
Tell you what else you can taste in it.
Fudge.
The fudge.
Very nice. Would definitely recommend that. They had a mint one, didn't they?
Mint chocolate.
We thought about it, but yeah, the ice cream instead, so.
What?
Cut. We were just driving to Keswick for our next stop, and then we came across the circle stones, so we're going to the right ones now, so we'll see them in a minute. We're in Keswick. We've just settled down for the night. We're just in the car park. It's literally tipped it down, so we haven't really gone anywhere and explored it, but we'll see what it's like tomorrow. Yeah, we're just going to settle down for the night, have some dinner in a minute, and then watch a film.
Daisy's tired. I think we've walked about 9 miles today, 10 miles. So she's knackered, and she's still got a scarf out to do.
Yeah, that's true. She's loving it.
And I think India wants a bit of retail therapy tomorrow.
And we're doing a walk in the afternoon. Another one.
Another walk. Where
Shock.
to?
It's a cat baths, which is on the other side of the Derwent water, so we'll see what it's like. It's good views apparently. So yeah.
There we go. Cut.
What are you doing that for?
Cut. Well, that's what you did the first time. Cut. Oh no, you went like this. Cut. Didn't you?
Go there.
Huh? GoPro stop.